Embedded commands. The concept of embedded commands refers to phrases or words that are strategically placed within a sentence to influence behavior. Embedded commands are powerful tools that can be used by marketers and copywriters to create persuasive and compelling copy. What are NLP embedded commands? Embedded commands are words or phrases that are hidden and strategically placed within a sentence to influence behavior. They are designed to bypass the conscious mind and go straight to the unconscious mind. By doing so, they can influence behavior without the individual even realizing it. Embedded commands can be used in a variety of ways. For example, they can be used to create a sense of urgency, establish authority, and create emotional connections with your audience. They can also be used to create a sense of scarcity, which can make your product or service more desirable. Embedded commands are often delivered in a specific way. The command itself is usually delivered in a lower tone of voice and at a slightly slower pace than the rest of the sentence. This helps to draw attention to the command and make it more effective. Embedded commands can be used to create a sense of urgency, establish authority, and create emotional connections with your audience. They can also be used to create a sense of scarcity, which can make your product or service more desirable. For example, if you were writing copy for a weight loss product, you might use the following NLP embedded command. As you continue to read this, you may begin to feel a sense of excitement about the possibility of finally reaching your weight loss goals. The embedded command in this sentence is feel a sense of excitement, which is designed to bypass the conscious mind and go straight to the unconscious mind. If you think that you deserve to take your marketing and copywriting to the next level, it's essential to understand the concept of embedded commands in NLP and persuasion and how they can be used to influence behavior.
A Skeleto.com course. Examples. Allow this to insert positive outcome and make a positive impact on your life. Allow this to insert positive outcome for you. Allow yourself to insert positive outcome by using this. Allow yourself to enjoy. Allow yourself to experience the difference with. Allow yourself to experience. Allow yourself to feel confident with. Allow yourself to feel successful with. Choose to insert positive action and experience the benefits of this. Choose to insert positive action and experience the life-changing benefits of this. Discover how easy it is to get started with. Discover how easy it is to. Discover how it can benefit you with. Discover how much more insert benefit you can have with this. Discover the benefits of. Discover the opportunities with. Discover the power of this to insert positive outcome. Discover the secrets of. Don't let anything hold you back from insert positive outcome. Use this. Don't wait any longer to insert positive action. Try this today. Embrace the power of this and insert positive outcome. Experience the benefits of. Experience the difference that this can make in your life. Experience the difference with. Experience the freedom that comes with. Insert benefit. Using this. Experience the power of. Experience the results of. Experience the satisfaction of being in control with. Experience the satisfaction of. Feel the difference with. Feel the excitement of achieving your goals with. Feel the excitement of taking the next step with. Feel the excitement of. Feel the power of taking action with. Feel the power of. Feel the satisfaction of achieving your goals with. Feel the satisfaction of. Get the insert benefit you deserve with this. Imagine how much easier your life will be with insert benefit of this. Imagine how your life will change when you imagine the possibilities with. Imagine yourself achieving success with. Imagine yourself enjoying the benefits of. Imagine yourself living the life you want with. Imagine yourself reaching your full potential with. Make the decision to insert positive action and transform your life with this. Make the most of every moment by using this to insert positive outcome. Make the smart choice and insert positive action with this. Notice how much better you feel when you notice the benefits of taking action with. Notice the difference in your life with. Notice the impact of. Notice the improvement in. Notice the potential of. Picture yourself, insert positive outcome with this. Picture yourself achieving your dreams with. Picture yourself achieving your goals with. Picture yourself being in control with. Picture yourself being. Picture yourself enjoying the benefits of. Picture yourself living the life you want with. Picture yourself making progress with. Picture yourself taking control with. Realize how much better your life can be with. Realize how much money you can save with. Realize how much you can accomplish with. Realize that you can have. Realize the opportunities available to you with. Realize the potential benefits of. Realize the potential impact of. Realize the potential of. Remember how good it felt when you. See for yourself how. See how much more you can accomplish with this. Take action now and insert positive outcome with this. Take action now and start. Insert positive action with this. Take control of your life and insert positive action with this. Take the first step towards insert positive outcome and try this. Take your life to the next level with this and insert positive outcome. Think about how great it will feel when. Think about how much time you'll save with. Think about how your life will improve with. Think about the impact of. Think about the opportunities with. Think about the possibilities of. Think about the possibilities with. Think about the value of. Transform your life and insert positive outcome with this. Trust this too. Insert positive outcome and take your life to the next level. Trust us too. Insert positive outcome with this. Try it and feel the difference with. Try it and see for yourself how. Try it and see how it can benefit you with. Try it and see how it can change your life with. Try it out for yourself and see how. Try this and see for yourself how. Insert benefit. Unleash your full potential with this and insert positive outcome. Unlock your true potential with this and insert positive outcome. Visualize the possibilities with. Visualize the results of. Visualize yourself. Visualize the success you can achieve with. Visualize yourself achieving your dreams with. Visualize yourself succeeding with.
A Skeleto.com course.